Thorough and perfect weapon maintenance and management are keys to the most powerful combat power. Being armed with new technology, we can achieve the best military performance. Lead the Korean military force with the world's best ability. The one and only integration of maintenance technique for an absolute perfection. The Gun Barrel Automatic Cleaner. It is the automatic cleaner that removes gunpowder, sludge, and other foreign substances made inside the gun barrel after shots were fired from tanks and cannons. Gunpowder, sludge, and other foreign substances by using the gun barrel automatic cleaner with just one auto cleaner. Here is the instruction on how to use the cleaner. First, it starts with connector fastening. After fastening the power supply cable with the power output jack, fasten the cable with the power supply jack. Next, fasten the main cable from control box to the cleaner. And connect the wire for emergency removal to a ring. Then, insert the information guide to the entrance of flash detector. After pressing the power switch, turn the rotary switch of the menu select to manual. Press the start switch and do a preparatory run by moving forward and backward using toggle switch from the manual. After putting the cleaner on top of the guide, push the cleaner's front wheel so that 1/3 of the wheel is inside the gun barrel. From menu select, turn rotary switch to one shuttle and start the cleaner. In this process, the front brush moves back and forth 6 times per second. This cleaner has the power of 2 cleaners. Another special strength of this cleaner is that with the spring power pushing the wheel's axle, the wheels stick to the gun barrel rifling. With this process, it makes moving forward and backward easier, and the wheel's lifespan becomes longer, so it can raise economic strength. For users' convenience, 2 proximity sensors are attached to make automatic forward and backward movement possible. On first cleaning, cover non-woven fabric on the brush to effectively remove foreign substances dropped from the gun barrel surface. And start second cleaning by spraying rifle bore cleaner automatically, so that removed foreign substances will be on the fabric. After second cleaning, we ended with the third and final cleaning by covering new dry, non-woven cloth on the cleaner, removing the rest of foreign substances. One of the most important functions of the cleaner is that it can clean specific area repeatedly. If you use the toggle switch on manual, it quickly goes to specific area that a user wants and cleans the area by moving back and forth repeatedly. And the excellence of this cleaner doesn't stop here. With LED lights attached, you can see the removal of foreign substances inside with bare eyes. As you can see, by using this automatic cleaner, it is possible to remove sludge and foreign substances perfectly, with its outstanding cleaning effect like you have never seen it before. Having innovative technical skills, leading-edge competitiveness, and efficient economic feasibility all at once. With new technology that can lead the future, we can establish the best military power and reform with the strongest fighting power. Innovating continuously with strong tenacity. It is the new gun barrel automatic cleaner.
Vay yavrum gel babaya. Gel babaya.
İşte temizlik bu.
Olacaksa böyle olsun.
Temizlik bu.
İnan şu bir durdursun ya, geriye götür topraklar gitti vallahi.
Gitsin. Önünde.
Çoğu düştü.
Esas düşmesi gereken düştü.
চাপ আরো
বাস বাস
বেশি না
হ্যাঁ বড়িয়া করে যাবে কাজ করো অন অন
এই কি স্যার
তেলে মারা ছিল হ্যাঁ
ওয়ান শট তার ওয়ান শট
তার ধরন
ওয়ান শট ওয়ান শট ওয়ান শট দুয়ার পরে এখন কি